Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Amex Gold Card Mexico review. We'll dive deep into what makes this card a popular choice for many consumers in Mexico. You'll learn about its core features, the specific benefits it offers within the Mexican market, and important factors to consider before you decide to apply. My goal is to help you understand if this card aligns with your financial needs and spending habits, ensuring you make a well-informed decision. The Amex Gold Card in Mexico offers a compelling rewards program. You can earn membership rewards points on almost every peso you spend, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. Beyond points, cardholders often receive valuable travel benefits, including complimentary access to airport lounges and comprehensive travel insurance. Plus, you'll find exclusive discounts with a wide array of partners, enhancing your everyday value. Before applying, it's essential to understand the financial aspects. The Amex Gold Card in Mexico typically carries an annual fee, often around 4,000 pesos, which is important to factor into your budget. Eligibility usually requires a minimum monthly income, frequently set at 20,000 pesos. The application process is generally straightforward, requiring standard documentation like identification and proof of income to get started. So, is the Amex Gold Card in Mexico the right fit for you? It truly depends on your individual spending patterns and how you value its unique benefits. If you frequently travel, dine out, or enjoy exclusive offers, this card could provide significant value. Weigh its annual fee and rewards against other premium cards available. Ultimately, an informed decision will help you maximize your financial advantages and achieve your personal goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.